What's that thing? Lotion? That's not lotion. That's to clean your hands. Yes. Where are your hands, Austin? Austin, Mama wants to know where your hands. What's that? Oh. Watch. Austin, show me beautiful eyes. I can't see. Show me. Show Mama beautiful eyes. Is that Daddy?
Baby.
Baby's not there. Where's the baby? Austin, come back. Austin. Hey, wanna go to school tomorrow? Austin, wanna go to school? Yes or no? Do you wanna go to school? Yes?
Oh,
What's that?
Mama.
That's Mama's. That's right. Austin, wanna see your friends tomorrow?
Friend.
Yeah, your friends. How about your teacher? Wanna see your teacher? Where's your beautiful eyes?
Is. In.
No, I can't put it on you. Austin, what's your name?
S.
Ace. Who do you love? Who do you love? Who do you love? Austin, who do you love? Hmm?
S.
No, you don't love Ace. I love who?
Ew.
Austin, who do you love? Okay, Mama's sad. Austin don't love Mama. Mama's sad. Who do you love?
S.
No.
Mama.
Yes. Okay, show me your dinosaur roar. Show me. How? Whoa. What does a tiger say? What does the duck say? How about the cat? How about the dog? What? The dog? What does the dog say? Yes, woof woof. How about a bug? What does a bug say? Snake? What's a snake say? You're so smart. Okay, bye-bye.
Right.